Ford just announced updates for the 2027 F-150, and they're addressing the exact problems that have been frustrating owners for years: unreliable hybrids, limited electric range, and skyrocketing prices. While other manufacturers keep pushing complicated tech that doesn't work in the real world, the 2027 F-150 is getting back to basics with proven reliability, a 700-mile electric range extender, and pricing that won't break the bank. The all-new 2027 Ford F-150 wows everybody, and here's everything you need to know about what's coming. Powertrain updates. Ford recognizes that keeping the F-150 competitive means constantly refining what's under the hood. The company is working on significant powertrain updates that will address reliability concerns while pushing efficiency to new levels. The current hybrid system, although innovative when it first arrived, has been showing some weaknesses that Ford engineers are determined to fix. Nothing frustrates truck owners more than unexpected repair bills and time spent at the dealership instead of on the job or the road. That's why the next generation hybrid setup is going to be far more reliable than what we're seeing today. Ford's development team is focusing on durability improvements that will make the system capable of handling the demands truck owners place on their vehicles day in and day out. At the same time, fuel economy numbers are expected to improve significantly, making the hybrid F-150 an even more attractive option for those who want capability without constantly stopping at the pump. Beyond the hybrid improvements, reports are suggesting that Ford is also planning updates to its EcoBoost engine lineup. Still, Ford is fine-tuning these engines to ensure they continue delivering the performance and efficiency that made them popular in the first place. But improved efficiency means nothing if the truck still can't go the distance when you actually need it, which is exactly why Ford's most significant powertrain change deserves special attention. F-150 Lightning E-Rev. Perhaps the most significant development coming to the F-150 lineup is the transformation of the Lightning into something far more practical for real-world use. The experience with the all-electric Lightning taught Ford engineers that pure EV trucks still can't fully replace internal combustion when it comes to meeting the diverse needs of truck owners. Range anxiety, charging infrastructure limitations, and towing range concerns have all played a role in holding back EV truck adoption. Therefore, the Blue Oval is going for the only sustainable EV option right now, one with a range extender. This new version will arrive next year, representing a fundamental shift in how Ford approaches electric truck technology. The system is equipped with a gasoline engine that acts as a generator while electric motors spin the wheels. This setup eliminates the range anxiety that has plagued pure electric trucks while still delivering the instant torque and smooth power delivery that electric motors provide. Essentially, it's the same kind of a system as in the case of the Ram Rev, and that's not a coincidence. Imagine planning a weekend trip with a heavy trailer attached. No more calculating charging stops, no more worrying whether you'll make it to the next station, no more cutting trips short because the battery won't hold up under load. That's the reality the Lightning E-Rev delivers, with an estimated range of 700 miles, a massive improvement over the current Lightning's limitations and a figure that finally makes an electric F-150 viable for long-distance towing and cross-country trips. The maximum output will match or exceed the outgoing Lightning EV, ensuring that buyers won't have to sacrifice performance for the added range capability. This means the Lightning E-Rev will still deliver that thrilling acceleration and effortless power that electric motors provide, but now owners can actually use their trucks the way they need to without constantly worrying about where the next charging station might be. The E-Rev approach acknowledges that truck buyers have specific needs that pure electric powertrains can't yet meet, while still offering the benefits of electrification. Of course, all that power and range won't help if the truck can't actually haul what you need it to, which brings us to what the F-150 does better than almost anything else on the road: class-leading work capabilities. While powertrain innovations grab headlines, the F-150 has always been defined by its ability to get work done, and the 2027 model year is going to push those capabilities even further. Ford has been refining the F-150's towing and payload capacities for decades, and the current model continues that tradition with some impressive numbers that will keep it competitive with anything else on the market. Towing capacity is about to remain at the top of the segment, with properly equipped models capable of hauling 14,000 pounds without breaking a sweat. Ford engineers have focused on not just raw towing numbers, but the entire towing experience. This means improved trailer sway control, more sophisticated trailer brake integration, and technologies that make backing up with a trailer far less stressful than it used to be. Ford understands that work trucks don't just need to move heavy loads. They need to do it day after day, year after year without falling apart. This means attention to details like frame reinforcement in stress areas, upgraded cooling systems for hard-working powertrains, and electrical systems that can handle the demands of modern work equipment. One area where the F-150 particularly excels is in its versatility, with multiple bed lengths, cab configurations, and trim levels that allow buyers to spec exactly the truck they need for their specific work requirements. Ford is also focusing on making the F-150 easier to live with as a work truck, with features like available onboard generators for powering tools at job sites, innovative bed storage solutions, and tie-down systems that make securing cargo simpler and more secure. But capability means nothing if you're spending hours in an uncomfortable, outdated cabin, which is why Ford has put serious effort into where you'll actually be sitting. Well-equipped interior. One of the key selling points that sets the F-150 apart from competitors is the generous amount of standard and available equipment, whether it's about technology or safety features. Ford has recognized that modern truck buyers expect more than just a capable work vehicle. They want a comfortable, well-equipped space that can serve as both an office and a daily driver. The technology package in the 2027 F-150 is going to be impressive, with even base models receiving features that used to be reserved for luxury trims. The infotainment system continues to evolve, offering larger screens, more intuitive interfaces, and better smartphone integration. Ford's sync system is getting smarter and more responsive, with voice commands that actually understand what you're asking for and wireless connectivity options that eliminate the need for cables cluttering up the cabin. Digital instrument clusters are becoming standard across more of the lineup, providing customizable displays that put the information you need right in front of you. Drivers can choose what data they want to see, from traditional speedometer and tachometer layouts to more focused displays showing towing information, fuel economy data, or navigation directions. Safety technology is also receiving significant attention. Ford's Copilot 360 suite of driver assistance features is being expanded and refined, with improvements to systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and automatic emergency braking. Long highway drives can be exhausting, especially after a full day of work, and that fatigue is when accidents are most likely to happen. These technologies aren't just about preventing accidents, they're about reducing driver fatigue on long trips and making the daily commute less stressful. Buyers can add amenities like heated and ventilated seats, premium audio systems, panoramic sunroofs, and advanced off-road technologies depending on their priorities. Interior materials are also getting upgraded, with more soft-touch surfaces, better quality plastics, and attention to details like stitching and trim pieces. Storage solutions throughout the cabin show Ford's attention to the practical details of daily truck use. Multiple charging ports, clever cubby designs, and storage spaces sized for actual items people carry make the F-150's interior functional in ways that matter. With all these improvements and upgrades, the question everyone's asking is when they can get one and what it's going to cost. Release date and price. The 2027 F-150 will arrive in the second half of next year, giving Ford time to ensure all these updates and improvements are properly implemented and tested. The timing positions the new model to hit dealerships when buyers are most actively shopping for trucks. Pricing is about to see minimal increases despite all the improvements and new technology being added. The base model will go around $40,000 and remain accessible to buyers who need a capable work truck without a lot of frills, while upper trims will continue to offer luxury and capability for those willing to pay for premium features. The Lightning E-Rev will command a premium over traditional powertrains, but the pricing will be more competitive than the current all-electric Lightning when you factor in the improved practicality and eliminated range anxiety. Different trim levels will continue offering various price points, ensuring the F-150 lineup serves everyone from contractors who need basic transportation to executives who want a luxury vehicle that happens to be a truck. The 2027 F-150 represents Ford's commitment to fixing what truck owners actually care about rather than chasing trends that don't work in the real world. Between the more reliable hybrid system, the game-changing 700-mile Lightning E-Rev that eliminates range anxiety, class-leading towing and payload capabilities, and a well-equipped interior that doesn't force you to pay for features you'll never use, Ford is delivering exactly what the market has been asking for. With minimal price increases despite all these improvements, the F-150 is positioned to maintain its status as America's best-selling vehicle for good reason. But rivals are bringing major updates as well. The key competitor, the Chevy Silverado HD, is also coming with big novelties for the next year, and you can check that in our next video. From next-generation V8 engines to an interior that finally looks worthy of the Silverado nameplate, the model once again offers one of the most comprehensive packages in the segment.